I looking good?
India,
India,
Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Oh, I'm looking Pakistani.
No?
No?
Where you
Ah,
Where you
from?
from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
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 Do
You're
you
You're
know?
looking
looking
Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Yeah, because once upon a time, Bangladesh and Pakistan were same country.
Ah,
That's
that's
why.
why.
Yes, that's why I
Bangladesh.
look after Pakistani. So once 1971, there was a big clash Bangladesh to Pakistan, and we separate from Pakistan, and we are freedom now.
Oh,
Ah,
okay.
okay.
Have you understand?
Yeah, I
Yeah, I
understand.
understand.
Okay, that's really good. That sounds good.